Hello, welcome to the AGU Biogeosciences Section Awards Recognition Ceremony for 2020. I'm Elise Pendahl, the section president, and we're starting out with a short video that we've created to celebrate some very special members of our community. These are the recipients of the Hilker Award, the Salzman Award, the Carl Sagan Lectureship, and our Outstanding Student Presentation Awards.
The Thomas Hilker Award is given in recognition of unusually creative work by an early career scientist that advances scientific understanding of biogeosciences.
Hello, I'm Jennifer Glass. Derek Lovely and I co-nominated Dr. Kelly Wrighton for the Hilker Award in biogeochemistry for her pioneering research on the role of microbial metabolisms in driving carbon cycling in the deep subsurface biosphere and in controlling methane emissions from wetlands. Congratulations, Kelly Wrighton, on your Hilker Award.
Hi, my AGU community. I want to thank you all for the Thomas Hilker Award in Biogeosciences. I'm honored to receive this award. In a time when all of us feel pushed to our limits and have no minutes to spare, I really need to thank my nominees, Jennifer Glass and Derek Lovely, for carving the time to put my name forward and promote my science to this larger community. Funny enough, it was Derek's Environmental Microbe-Mineral Interactions textbook that inspired me to get my PhD in geomicrobiology. Yes, I read it on the beach vacation with my family. Yes, microbes blew my mind. And yes, I've always been a nerd. So it is especially meaningful to have Derek be one of my letter writers for this award nearly a decade later. Jill Banfield, my postdoc, and John Coates, my PhD mentors, you always let me run and taught me to think outside the box. I carry you both on my shoulders for advice more often than you realize, as creepy as that sounds. This award is because I get to work with awesome people who love to do science creatively. I thank my lab group, past, present, and even future. Mentoring and growing scientists with my trainees to tell new stories is by far the best part of my job. Also my many collaborators at PNNL, EMSL, JGI, OSU, CSU, and beyond who provide context to ground truth our microbial stories. Thank you. Lastly, my science happens because I'm nourished and propped up by my family and friends. My parents are still my biggest fans, and I'm so grateful for that. My husband and scientific collaborator and today's filmmaker, Dr. Mike Wilkins, supports me in all aspects of science and life. Together, this community reminds me to have fun and not take the bumps in the road too seriously. Summary, thank you. I am so honored to be the 2020 Thomas Hilker Awardee.
The Salzman Award is presented annually to a mid-career woman scientist in recognition of significant contributions as a role model and mentor for the next generation of biogeoscientists.
Hi, this is Emily Elliott from the University of Pittsburgh and member of the Salzman Award Committee for the AGU Biogeosciences section. Special congratulations going out to Nandita Basu for being the recipient of this year's AGU Salzman Award for excellence in education and mentoring. Congratulations, Nandita.
Good morning. I'm Nandita Basu, a professor of civil and environmental engineering and earth and environmental sciences at the University of Waterloo in Canada. Thank you for this award. I'm honored to receive it. I'm honored to follow in the footsteps of Elizabeth Salzman, who was known for her passion in education and mentoring. That passion resonates with me. I'm especially passionate about making academia more welcoming for women and other minorities. And the only way we can make a difference is through the next generation. The next generation is the key to change. Thus, education and mentoring is the key to change. Thank you.
The annual Carl Sagan Lecture, presented at the AGU Fall Meeting, recognizes a scientist who embodies Carl Sagan's interest in astrobiology, as well as his effective science communication skills.
My name is Compton Tucker, and I'm an earth scientist at NASA's Goddard Space Flight Center in Greenville, Maryland. It's an honor for me to give the Carl Sagan Lecture for the 2020 AGU Fall Meeting. In 1975, when I was a PhD student at Colorado State University, I read Carl Sagan's book, The Cosmic Connection. This book stimulated my interest in exobiology and how life has existed on the pale blue dot, the planet we call home, for more than 3 billion years. I wrote to Professor Sagan and inquired if there were any postdoctoral fellowships in exobiology. Professor Sagan responded within 2 weeks and wrote, "Dear Mr. Tucker, thank you for your recent letter. I wish there were some positive responses I could give you, not only at Cornell, but at all. There are only a very few institutions engaged in exobiology. I know of no opportunities of the sort you seek. As soon as we find life somewhere else, I will be sure to get back to you. With all good wishes, Carl Sagan." Carl Sagan's vision of Earth moved me to apply for a postdoctoral fellowship at NASA to study the Earth with satellite data. I was successful at that quest and have been at NASA ever since. Carl Sagan inspired many of us to pursue studies that relate to Earth science. He was a communicator, an explorer, an excellent scientist, and it's a great honor for me to give the Carl Sagan Lecture for the 2020 AGU Fall Meeting.
Each year, we award several outstanding student presentation awards to recognize undergraduate, master's, and PhD students for quality research in the biogeosciences and their ability to effectively communicate it.
Hello everyone, I'm Mingfei Chen from University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. My presentation title was Interpreting Lacustrine Bulk Sediment Delta-15 Values Using Metagenomics, a case study from a hypersaline lake system.
Hi, my name is Josué Rodriguez Ramos from Colorado State University, and my presentation title was Small Ripples Can Result in Big Tides, Viral Impacts on Nitrogen Transformation in Columbia River Sediments.
I'm Hadley McIntosh Marchek from the University of Maryland Center for Environmental Science. My presentation title was Spatial Heterogeneity in Groundwater and Evaporative Fluxes and Their Influence on Lakes with Varying Methane Dynamics within the Mackenzie River Delta, Canada.
My name is Christopher Kibler from the University of California, Santa Barbara. My presentation title was Remote Sensing of Plant-Groundwater Relations in Riparian Forests during the 2011 to 2017 California drought.
Hi, my name is Mauna De Palma from Kean University, and the title of my presentation was Regional Patterns of Carbon Uptake and Ocean Acidification in GFDL CMIP6 Models.
I'm Emily Urey from Duke University. My presentation title was Landsat Time Series Reveals Shifting Vegetation Due to Sea Level Rise, a case study of forested wetlands in coastal North Carolina.
I'm Jeremy Rapp from Michigan State University, Go Green. My presentation title was Detecting Irrigation in Nuanced and Diverse Landscapes, a comparison of neural networks and forest-based classifiers.
My name is Min-Kyu Moon from the Boston University. The presentation title was the Climate Controls on Springtime Phenology in Eastern Temperate Forest of North America.
To close, congratulations from all the members of the Biogeosciences Section Executive Committee.
Hi, I'm Elise Pendall. I'm the Biogeosciences Section President.
This is Basil Masri.
This is Aditi Sengupta
from the Fall Meeting Planning Committee,
the Biogeosciences Section,
from the University of Pittsburgh.
And on behalf of all of us,
congratulations.
Congratulations. Congratulations to all the award recipients.